Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Gemini, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how I styled this unit. This is an old unit that I purchased from omgqueen.com. I will link the everything in the description box below. But yeah, it really wasn't nothing that I had to do for this. Sorry about the background noise. That is my nephew. So I apologize for that, but I really didn't have to do anything styling wise to this unit because this is a straight blunt cut. I did have to go in and straighten up the line a little bit. I didn't have the clippers, but I did have some old scissors, and that did okay. It blended really well, so I really didn't have to use any adhesive on this unit. Let me see if y'all can see that. That's the lace right there. So it blended well. Let me just comb that down. Yeah. The styling part of the video was really nothing but me using the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender. This is one of their, it's a line. It's 1 to 4. So this is step 4. This is just the silkening treatment at the end. My flat iron is a titanium tool. I purchased that from Sally's. I'll leave that in the description box below. Yeah, so that's all I really want. Oh, parting. Really not that much parting in this unit. So it's about, I'll say like one inch of parting. No, about 2 inches of parting. 2 inches of parting, so it's not that much. And that's just in the middle. On the sides, it's none at all, actually. Really none at all. So, like that. Yeah. You see like the little brown spots in this unit because I did dye this unit at one point. And then I just applied a black dye. I think I got the black dye from the dollar store actually. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling and enjoy the video, guys. See you next time. Alright guys, so this is the unit all washed and conditioned. So it has the 2 combs in the front. Not much parting space, but we're gonna work with that. And then of course the comb in the back and the adjustable straps. I'm going to overlap these straps because the unit is too big for my head. Alright, so just, you know, turned out pretty lovely. Let's style it.
You.